Hey guys, today we'll be discussing on how to successfully trade futures on Bybit. Although the name has been changed to derivatives, so we'll be using futures or derivatives in our terms. Okay, the last time we discussed how to successfully trade on Bybit P2P, and today we'll be using our $50 to trade futures. I personally don't trade futures with technical analysis. I avoid technical analysis because most of the times BTC doesn't obey technical analysis. My trading guide has always been on fundamental analysis, FA, and this makes me to trade 2 or 3 times in a month. The reason being that I am very low on risk. I don't expand my risk. So I just have two or three trades in a month, and I'm cool. You understand? So today let's dive in on how to trade futures. So let's check out our token, our USDT. Click on asset. Our USDT is on spot. That's with $5 there. The first thing is to move our USDT from spot to derivatives, also known as futures. So what you click on transfer. Now our transfer is between spot and funding. Funding is if you want to trade your P2P. So you change your funding to derivative account. Derivative account. Now enter amount of $50. Confirm. Now we'll go back to our derivative, which is the futures. Our $50 is already in our derivative. You can see it now. You click on derivatives. You can see that my the coin I'm monitoring is Pepe. I shorted Pepe last 2 weeks. Reason being that I had a very bad news about the token. Okay, so I jumped in, shorted the token from 0.015. Although the trade is not on this account, and so far so good. We have been doing well. We're almost at times 3 plus at the moment. Okay, so now if I want to, for example, short this Pepe now, I click on short. I don't trade with cross. When you trade with cross, this cross, when you trade with cross and there is a liquidation, all your money is gone. So I don't advise anybody to trade with cross. I isolate my trades, set my stop loss, then I reduce my leverage. If when I'm trading with fundamental analysis, if the news is genuine and I knew that yes, there's no way this is a short trade, I trade with times 10. If it is 50% correct, I go down to times 5. If it is 30% correct, I go down to times 3. This helps me to manage my risk, because liquidation is a very dangerous thing, and I wouldn't want to risk a lot of funds. So I trade with between maximum of 10x, and this has been helping me always. I manage my risk. You have to manage your risk. If not, you may end up liquidating your account. So let me change this thing from the trade from cross to isolated. Now, when you are on isolated, for example, and you get liquidated, your account, that particular money that you used for trading, is the one that is going to be liquidated, not your total account. But if you use cross, all the money on that derivatives account is gone. You see why one needs to manage his risk very well, like very, very well. So let me place an order. Now we're isolated. I will reduce my risk to 3x. I will save. Now we're on isolated 3x. I'm giving you an example anyway, because I'm already on the trade. The next thing is to short. I want to short Pepper. Pepper is having issues with it. Their teams are having issues. Okay. I want to short Pepper. I click on this. Let's say I want to short at 0.00695, for example. I'll place my trade. Click on sell or short. Now, I have placed a short on this trade. The next thing is to set my stop loss. Don't always forget to set your stop loss. It is very, very important. Your stop loss will help you. I always set my stop loss at 30%. At 30% loss. These are the losses I can handle. Either 20 or 30%. It helps me to know that, okay, at 30%, is obvious that the fundamental analysis for me is not solid. Okay, that's basically how I do my trades. The next thing is to set your stop loss. Set on TP and stop loss. I don't usually set TP, that's take profit. I only set my stop loss at 30%. I'll set my stop loss at 30%. Then confirm. If you check now, you see that my trade is on negative. Okay, well, we're just using it for illustrations. Just for illustration purpose. So I'll close the trade now, because I'm not trading Pepper again, because I'm already on the trade. I've been on this trade for the past 2 weeks or so, if my memory serves me right. I've been on the trade for the past 2 weeks, and my profit is already times 3 point something. Yeah, I would have shown you, but the trade is not on this account. I use my sub accounts for my features. Okay, you can see we're already in profit again, but I'm not interested in opening up another trade. You just got to give you illustrations of how features work. So I'll close the account, the trade now. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping uh, trade signals whenever I want to enter any futures trade. But I don't trade every day. Just like I said, I trade with fundamental analysis. My trades are 2 to 3 times in a month, and it's 99% okay by me. Okay, thank you.